Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese seaweed egg soup. This soup seems to be easy to cook, but in fact, there are some details you might need to know about. So now let's start. First, prepare some seaweed and use a pan to bake it. The original color of seaweed is black, but gradually it will become green. When it becomes green, turn off the fire and use hot water to wash it. Put the seaweed into a bowl, and now we need to prepare the soup. Use a pot to boil some water. Add half teaspoon of salt, a little bit dark soy sauce. This will be our soup base. Crack 2 eggs. Pour the egg into the soup. The egg will look like a flower in this way. After around 30 seconds, turn off the fire and put the soup base into the bowl too. Now we need to cut some scallion and add it to the soup. In the end, add a little bit sesame oil to it. Here we are, the Chinese seaweed egg soup is cooked. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys soon.